Hello beginners, today I'm going to teach you how to create this reverse cat eyeliner look, especially for brown tone skin. For that, I'm using a woody brown lens shade. I prefer you to use any brown or hazel color lens to get more accurate cat liner look. Concealing my eyes with Can't Stop, Won't Stop NYX concealer. It's not that much blendable, so I'm using first my finger. I'm just pressing it, I'm not rubbing it, make sure. And then after this blending, I will give a brush blending. And then I will use Fit Me Maybelline Press Powder for more blending, for more flawless look, and for more coverage.
First I was using without powder. Now I'm using powder.
Now for reverse cat liner, I'm using Millani's gel pencil. That's one of my favorite gel pencils. Easy to use, waterproof, very pigmented. So I'm using this gel pencil on my lower lid, and I'm going to use a generous amount of gel pencil here. Now I'm going to use e.l.f.'s flat hat brush. It's also called eyeliner brush, and I'm going to blend it very gently. I haven't applied any eye shade. I'm just blending it, but very gently. Don't be hard. And then I'm using Morphe's. Maybe I will use brown or then black shade, but I'm not sure. I will start with brown shade because that's a makeup for brown tone skin. So I will not prefer to use too much black. So I'm blending this gel pencil with brown shade, and yes, it's working so good. So I'm not going to use black shade now. I'm just blending it with brown shade, and after that, I'm blending it with a blending brush. I haven't applied any shade on this blending brush, just empty brush, and I'm just blending it for the more blend and proper look. I'm using this liner brush. You can use any liner brush of any brand, and you can apply gel pencil or gel liner, anything on that. I'm just giving a finished strokes. I'm creating a wing, outer wing,
ink liner,
and for the inner wing, I'm using liner pen. This liner pen is from Rimmel, and I'm creating an inner wing. I'm not going to use this liner on my upper lid, so remember it's just for my lower lid, and that's it. Now I'm applying the mascara and my lashes. So I'm using my own brand lashes, that's called Breeze by Sidra, and that's it. So this is amazing look created in just 5 minutes. So do try this and let me know in the comments. See you, goodbye.